Hello, everybody. Welcome to IT Skills channel. We're finally back. It's been a long time since we actually created a video like this, mainly because we've been dealing with a couple of things, and also Ramadan came in, and that was a time for me to connect with my creator. So we've been very busy with that. On top of that, I had some issue with housing, plumbing, more specifically, and that took me a while. It led to a lot of bigger project than I anticipated, but I'm finally back, guys, and I wanted to bring more regular videos on a daily basis. So I've been reading the comments, and I know some of you who've been eager to figure out what's going on with Final Cut Pro. Why is it not working anymore? And other videos, comments. So I'm going to try to respond to everybody in an orderly fashion. But before I get started, I want to thank you guys for being a member. Those of you who join I Teach membership community, thank you for doing that. That's really helpful and that means a lot. Your support, we don't take that for granted. You are really what makes IT Skills channel thick. Thank you so much. And also, those of you who have not subscribed or a member, please consider becoming a member or subscribing. That will help the channel. As you can see, we're a small channel. We try to bring quality content. We try to be up there, but it's just hard without having the support and editor and stuff. So, but your help will mean a lot. So that way, it can motivate me to make more videos. And everything I make in terms of the membership, it goes into investing into the channel. So it's not something I'm making as a profit or anything. It's really helping me get a better equipment, maybe get a better processing, in this case, computer, etc. But thank you so much, guys. And now, without further ado, I want to address a couple concerns that some of you guys posted so many times. And those are going back to our YouTube comments. Why is Final Cut Pro not working? Here is the comments. So a lot of you say, seems not working anymore. Am I correct? 1 month ago. Does not work 2 weeks ago. So not working 2 months ago. A lot of people have been trying to do this and it's not working for them. So let me go to the switch my screen and show you the comments I'm looking at. So you can see a lot of people have been replying to this video I made about almost a year ago. The video has been made almost a year ago. And a lot of you have been using this video to get Final Cut Pro working for you. And it should have been working, but for some reason, Apple decided to change something about it. They did something about it where you cannot reset the Final Cut Pro trial limit extended to 90 days every time it gets expiring. So you cannot do that anymore. And here is the comments. Some of you basically saying it does not work. A lot of you have been even commenting on my other videos, which is you want me to see it. And I'm sorry I have not been active on the channel like that. So, but now I'm back. I'm trying to address this. So yes, you are correct. Apple did took away the good thing. We had a good thing going. Apple took away, and I have tried this on my own a couple times. The first obstacle I ran into is Final Cut Pro. What version is it running? I needed to update the version of Final Cut Pro. I had Final Cut Pro 10. I had updated to Final Cut Pro 11. When I updated to 11, that's when they patched it. So now it doesn't let you extend the trial unlimited forever. So you see, I did install this 89 days ago, and it does not work at all. So I got 89 days ago is when 89 days from now is when mine expire. But if I run this command, it will not work. And I'm sorry to say this, but that's kind of Apple, showing their flex, their power. And let me show you. I'm going to show you the version first of all. The version I'm running is going to be version 11. Like I said, 11.1. But it's not going to let me extend it. So I'm going to have to install a new trial every time, which is annoying if I wanted to use it. So let's go ahead. If I go to terminal, and you're going to see this is probably what you guys got. If I hit full screen, hit paste the command in, it's going to say no directory or file found. This is normal. This is expected. Unfortunately, Apple decided to catch on to us, which is worked almost like 2 years. It's almost been working for 2 years, but now it's not going to work anymore. And I'm sorry, guys. I wish I had a workaround plan or something for you guys, but I do not have it. And I'm going to have to start to look into maybe using another program because I love using Final Cut Pro. It's really been amazing. But I don't want to pay the $200 because if you go to the Apple Store and you search for Final Cut Pro, let me get out here and search for Final Cut Pro. It's gonna be $200, and maybe this is something I'm gonna have to think about. It's $300 actually. My bad, $300. So it's a lot of cost, a lot of investment. If you're a small YouTube channel like mine, you probably don't want to invest this. Or if you're just doing this for from time to time, you're using to edit some videos, small videos, you probably don't want to pay for this, which is why the trial would have been good. So I guess the 90-day trial, you could potentially maybe reinstall the same trial every 90 days. And because here's what I did, what I could do is get you maybe go to the link here, just download it, install it again every time it expires. The good news about a Final Cut is that it does keep your project files available as long as you back it up, so it's not gonna override your project file. You still can have your what you saved as your shortcut and whatnot and your customization. So even though I reinstalled Final Cut recently, I still have my project file and everything is working for me fine. I got a lot of other things going on here and there, so it's really fine for me. And I think that's what you're gonna have to do. But so sorry for this being the first video back and we're already laying down bad news, but that's kind of what we got, guys. And so thank you for your patience again. And I hope this answered your question. Those of you who've been commenting on the videos, why is Final Cut Pro not working? The trial extension not working? Now it's not because of you, it's because Apple decided to patch it. Well, until you can, your option right now is gonna be to uninstall Final Cut when it's about to expire and then reinstall the trial again. Keep doing that. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to do it, and that should work for you. Until next time, guys, have a good day. And again, thank you for being a member. If you are a member, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Until next time, have a good day. Peace.